Price, the meeting is underway. Enemy transport sighted entering the target area. The wind's getting a bit choppy. You can compensate for it, or you can wait it out. But he might leave before it dies down. That's your call. Remember what I've taught you. Keep in mind variable humidity and wind speed along the bullet's flight path. At this distance, you'll also have to take the Coriolis effect into account. Okay, I think I see him. Wait for my mark. Target acquired. I have a positive ID on Imran Zakhaev. Keep an eye on that flag. Watch for any change in wind speed and direction. Where did he come from? Patience, laddie, wait for a clear shot. It's now or never. Take the shot. Target down. Have to keep him off his arm. Shock and blood loss will take care of the rest. Shut, they're onto us. Take out that helicopter. He'll buy us some time. Let's move. They'll be searching for us. It's time to move. We'll have to take a shortcut. Follow my lead. Lieutenant Price, follow me. Delta 2-4, this is Alpha 6. We have been compromised. I repeat, we have been compromised. Now heading to extraction point 4. Alpha 6, Big Bird is en route. ETA 20 minutes. Don't be late. We're stretching out fuel as it is. Out. Я возвращаю стратегические задачи. Приходи, отсюда полез. We'll lose him in that apartment. Come on. Прикройте все выходы и остановите их в парке. Stand by. Quick, plant the claymore by the door up ahead. Go on! More behind us! Helicopter! Snipe the bastard! Right! Shoot the helicopter! We'll take it down together! Good night, you bastard! Ah, shite! Run! Bollocks! My leg's all messed up. I can't move. Sorry, mate. You're gonna have to carry me. Sorry, mate. You're gonna have to carry me. Sorry, mate. You're gonna have to carry me. If we run into trouble, you'll have to find a good spot to put me down so I can cover you. The extraction point is to the southwest. We can still make it if we hurry. Tango's closing fast. Put me in a good spot to cover you. He's down. Head for that apartment. We'll try to loot him in there. Time to move. Give me a lift. We're almost there. The extraction point is on the other side of that building. Got him. Left-hand right. Don't get too far ahead.
Alpha 6, this is Big Bird, standing by for your signal, over.
Our helicopter is standing by to safe distance. Put me down behind the Ferris wheel where I can provide sniper support. This'll be fine. Take the rest of my claymores. Now's the time to use them. The enemy is bound to enter this area, so find a good sniping position. I'll signal the helicopter in 30 seconds. Find a good spot to snipe from and go prone. lad. I've activated the beacon. Good luck.
Alpha 6, we have a fix on your position. Hang tight. Big Bird out.
Tango's inside. Let them get closer. Tango down. Choppers, inbound! We are heavily outnumbered! Where are you?
Copy that, Alpha. We'll be there ASAP. Hold tight.
Got one! He's down. Tango down. He's down. Got him. He's down. Got him. He's down. Got one! Got another.